Today on Hitter Off-Road, we're going to see if the OCAM Side Rails are any bloody good, and if they're easy enough to install on your 79 Series Landcruiser. This would have to be the ultimate question. In the box, you've got side rails, and by the looks of it, a fitting kit. Fuck me! Oh yeah, they're the clamps. Driver's side, passenger side. So this is the OCAM side step, which we installed previously. So there's a couple of Allen keys required. I think it's probably a 5 and not a 6. That would be my guess. It's a 5. Mustn't be a 5, must be a 4. No, I've got dust on. Side steps? No way. Jeff, I might have installed side steps, but you're not allowed to use them, okay?
Well, you've got dust on them, mate, because you know it's been so long between the installs, you know, that you've been driving and going around the place. And
Well, this is true.
What's happened, mate?
Gather. I haven't looked at the instructions, but I gather I just got to undo this. Oh, fuck me. This one does not want to undo. There we go. Oh, it's got a nut underneath. There you go. You obviously have to remove this end piece. Better get a spanner and a socket. And by the looks of it, my first guess, which was 13, was correct. Oops, it is not. So yeah, just the 13, washer on either side. This just slides off. Do not handy over there. Right, I guess this part's easy enough to work out. You just slide it back together. I'm gonna get the cameraman to hold the end of this for us. It's weird, I had an extra washer just come from nowhere. Just gotta put the nuts and bolts back in. Fairly finger tight, but I gather might need a little bit of movement up the top. Carefully. Get rid of the tape. These side rails are the larger size, so they're a little bit bigger than the bar I have, but that's okay. So these are like the clamping shells. Be able to just clamp on like so, but maybe I'm not going to be able to use the rails.
Dun, dun, dun.
So you might need a big tube bar. A big tube bar. Doesn't look too bad.
Well, there's always something, isn't there, John?
Well, you know. I knew this bar had the smaller bits on it. What do you reckon, Jeffrey? Do you think it's going to look alright or not?
I think...
That's what I'm asking you.
I don't know.
Mate, bit of rubber.
Bit of engineering.
Bit of rubber, and we've got a bit of a clamp going on here now. Alright, 10mm seems to be about the right size. Now I've got a mark, I'll do a little bit of a pilot hole. Fun part is going to be guessing where to go through on this other side.
Sure.
I should have put the cap in here. The way I've done it, where I'm drilling it, this might not be 100% in the right spot. Alright, drill these out, pop the caps on, get some rubber from your King's floor mat, and then the rails are on, done and dusted. They fit pretty good, they look alright, seem solid enough, so I guess that's another win for the OCAM steps and rails. See you on the next one.